Ready to go. The next 20 seconds. High stepping. 3, 2, 1. Start. 20 seconds. High stepping. If you feel it's too hard, slow down. Half the time. Three, 2, 1. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Jumping jacks. Three, 2, 1. 30 seconds. Jumping jacks. Bend your arms to bring your hands over your head. Half the time. Three, 2, 1. Take a rest. The next 8 sit-ups. You need to do it on a mat. Three, 2, 1. Start. 8 sit-ups. Exhale as you come up, and inhale as you lower. Take a rest. The next 12. Russian twist. 6. Each side. Three, 2, 1. Start. 12. Russian twist. 6. Each side. Look straight ahead. Take a rest. The next 16. Heel touch. 8. Each side. Three, 2, 1. Start. 16. Heel touch. 8. Each side. Exhale when touching your heels and inhale when going back. Take a rest. The next 15. Butt bridge. Three, 2, 1. Start. 15. Butt bridge. Keep your feet around shoulder width apart. Take a rest. The next 10 bicycle crunches. 5 each side. Three, 2, 1. Start. 10 bicycle crunches. 5 each side. Exhale when lifting your body and inhale when lowering. Take a rest. The next 8 sit-ups. Three, 2, 1. Start. 8 sit-ups. Put your hands behind your ears, don't interlock your fingers. Take a rest. The next 12 Russian twist. 6 each side. Three, 2, 1. Start. 12 Russian twist. 6 each side. Tighten your abs. Take a rest. The next 16 heel touch. 8 each side. Three, 2, 1. Start. 16 heel touch. 8 each side. It's a great exercise for all of your abdominal muscles. Take a rest. The next 15. Butt bridge. Three, 2, 1. Start. 15. Butt bridge. This exercise strengthens your lower back. Take a rest. The next 10. Bicycle crunches. 5. Each side. Three, 2, 1. Start. 10. Bicycle crunches. 5. Each side. If you can see your elbows, please open your chest. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Cobra stretch. Three, 2, 1. 30 seconds. Cobra stretch. This exercise stretches your abdominals. Half the time. Three, 2, 1. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Lying twist stretch left. 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds. Lying twist stretch left. This exercise stretches your obliques and lower back. Half the time. Three, 2, 1. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Lying twist stretch right. 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Lying twist stretch right. You shouldn't feel any pain. Half the time. Three, 2, 1.